Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I recently made a video answering a question that you had left me and that has aroused quite a lot of interest, about someone who had a car with a 1600 TDI engine, and as soon as he started the engine, being cold, it went up to 1000 revolutions per minute, when normal is that it is at 800 revolutions per minute. I will leave you the link in case you have not seen that video. There I already explained that in principle, there was nothing to worry about, because it could simply be that it is doing a DPF regeneration. Normally, this regeneration is usually accompanied by the electric fans that turn on, and also the start/stop function is deactivated, to prevent that DPF regeneration from being interrupted. DPF, let's see, a tip: if before stopping the engine, you see that it is at 1000 revolutions per minute, while idling, do not stop the engine. Okay, have a little patience and wait for it to finish doing that regeneration, because you need actually, when it does it with a cold engine, it is because the DPF regeneration has been previously interrupted. The ECU is aware of it, and then, when you start the engine again, what the ECU is going to do is inject more fuel, so that the DPF acquires operating temperature as soon as possible. This, in the long run, can end up damaging the engine, okay, because ideally, it always finishes completing that function. I repeat, if you see that you are going to turn off the engine of the car and the engine is at 1000 revolutions per minute at idle speed, don't stop it, have a little patience. It doesn't usually take long, okay, and when the vehicle has already done the DPF regeneration, at that moment it will deactivate the electro fans, which you will have activated, and will also activate the start/stop function, which had previously been deactivated. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.